How to request a ride with app. Open the user app. Input where you want to go. Customize where you want to be picked up. Choose your payment method. Pick the service type you need. Verify and confirm your pickup point. Open the driver app. Connect to receive alerts. Accept the taxi service request. Use the integrated real-time chat. Press wait upon arriving at the pickup point. Start the trip to the destination. Swipe to arrived when reaching the destination. View information and rate the completed trip. Ready to make another ride request.